Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Patreon creator payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your creator payments from Patreon, start by logging into your Patreon account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your creator dashboard. On your dashboard, look for the Payouts tab or section. Click on the Payouts tab to view your available funds. You will see a summary of your earnings and any current pending payments. If you have available funds, find the option to withdraw your balance. Click on the Withdraw button. You may be prompted to choose your payment method if you haven't set one up yet. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Common options include bank transfer, PayPal, or other available methods based on your location. If you are using a bank transfer, enter your bank account details as required. For PayPal, ensure that your email address is correctly linked to your PayPal account. Once you have selected your payment method, confirm your details. Review any applicable fees associated with the withdrawal. After confirming, click the Confirm Withdrawal button. Patreon will process your request, and it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your account. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Payouts section at any time. If you encounter any issues, visit the Patreon Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.